Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to reset the engineer code and the master user code on a Gardtec 600 series alarm system. If you don't have the engineer code, this is how I'm going to show you how to do it. If the engineer code is locked in, then you won't be able to basically change the code, but it will change the master user code, the one you use to set the system. So at the moment, you can see my engineer code is 1973. On this system, takes me into engineering mode. Do you want to use engineering mode? I'll press the 0 button and come back out of that. Right, okay, so I'm going to do it as if I haven't got the engineer code, so I just leave it in normal day mode. So what you need to find is the fused spur, which is this one here, which sends power to the alarm system. And my alarm box is this big metal white one just down the bottom here. Sometimes you might have a plastic one. It'll be the same, it's just a different box basically. So what we need to do first is come up to the fuse spur and pop the fuse out. Just put my screwdriver underneath. Just try and pop that out, just like so. And I just take it out just so no electrics go into the box. So that stopped the electricity supply going into the box. So what I would do next is come down to the box down the bottom here. I've got a couple of screws just at the top there. I've already taken them out. So when I open the box up, it will go off into alarm, and all I'm then going to do is put in my master user code just to shut the system up. So I'll open the box up. And there we go, 5678 I've just typed in just to shut the system up. So, and it says power cut fault, which is because there's no power going to the board. So I come back down the bottom here, and you should have a battery just inside the panel. I'm going to take off one of the sides of the battery, just like so. Doesn't matter if it's the red one or the black one. There's no power going into the box now at all. The outside bell, if you have an outside bell on your system, that will probably be going at the moment. You just leave that for the time being. So I'm going to close the box back up and just close that, so then the tamper pin is closed, the tamper spring inside the box is closed. Come back up to the fuse spur, pop the fuse back in the spur and close that, and then you will have power back onto your system. So when the power comes back on, what we're going to do is type in 19 yes no, and then that will reset the user code and the engineer code as long as it's not locked in. So now I know my engineer code before was 1973, and now it should be 1234. So if I do 1234 and it says enter authorization code, my authorization code is just a master code, which will be 5678. And there we go. Do you want to use engineer mode? Press yes, and we're into engineering mode. If it doesn't come up with the engineering mode, then it means the code is locked in and your master user code is now 5678. It will reset that one, and you can just follow one of my other videos and it will tell you how to change your user code if you need to do that. And that's how you reset the user code and the engineering code on a Gardtec 600 series. If this has been of help, if you could subscribe to my channel, that would be really good. If you could like the video as well. If you have any questions about these systems or any other system, just drop me a note in the box, and I'll have a look and see if I can help you. Thanks for watching.